Today was really boring. I did vlog, but it was really boring. So I'm just gonna make this video Vlogmas day 1. Alright, so anyway, I'm not gonna say much. I'm gonna just let y'all get to the video, and yeah, I'll see y'all on Vlogmas day 2. What's up, my sweets? Before we get started, I definitely wanted to say make sure you subscribe, become a part of the Sweets family, because if you're not a sweet, then you're definitely sour. And we are not Sour Patch Kids over here, first sour then sweet. We are straight sweet, honey. So if you are not a part of the team, you're sour. But anyway, y'all, I talk about this here towards the end of the video, so make sure you watch the entire video. If you make it all the way to the end, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, so I didn't want to get all fancy, put no makeup on or anything like that. And for those of you who are doing YouTube, you should know a little tip: do not always put makeup on, because then you're going to feel obligated to always have your face beat every time you make a video, and the world need to see the real. I mean, it's not all glitz and glamour all the time. But anyway, so real quickly, I definitely will have everything that you need to know in the bottom description. To know about this hair is to love this hair. This is from SuperNova. It is through Amazon, so if you got the Amazon Prime, best believe you're gonna get it real quick. I don't really know about anyone who doesn't have Amazon Prime, because I have Amazon Prime, so I got the wig pretty fast. The customer service is always great. They respond really fast. They're very nice. What else could I say? Oh, well, let's talk about the wig. That's what y'all really want to know. So the wig is an 18-inch. As y'all seen in the video, I showed you what it looks like down my back. I am tall. I'm 5'9". Your girl is a stallion. So, well, at least you've seen what it looks like on me. I have a peanut head, so this wig is like, let me show y'all. Y'all see that? It's big on me, and I did use the straps that's in the wig to connect, so it is snug, it's tight, because I made it that way. But it's always like this little extra piece left, but it's nothing to it. Like, literally, I'm letting y'all know the real. So basically, pin it up just like this, bobby pin, and pin it. I'm not going nowhere, so I'm not doing all of that. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only issue that I have with the wig. The hair is amazing. It is a body wave. I showed you guys what it looks like wet. I didn't drench it too much because I really was not trying to drench it, but the more you wet it, the more of the body wave comes out. This is it dry. This is it basically in its natural state. There's nothing in it, no product, no nothing, and it's just so smooth, and your fingers just run straight through. Y'all ain't see, I haven't even brushed it for a while. Like, I haven't brushed it for a minute, and it's still like, I love this hair. It is a lace front. It's a lace front. It's a 13 by 6, I think. But yeah, either way, you guys, anything that I left out will be in the bottom description. Make sure you get this wig. Do not hesitate, honey, because I will not steer you wrong. I keeps it real, all right? I keeps it trill over here on this channel. But anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed that video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, become a part of the Sweets family. We hella sweet over here, no cavities, and that's corny, but I'm gonna stick with it. And if you're not subscribed, you know what you are. You're sour, and we are not Sour Patch Kids here. We are not sour and sweet. We just either sour, not subscribed, or we just sweet. Subscribe. So join this family, become sweet, and your life will be better. I don't know, but anyway, subscribe and you'll see. Okay. As I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will definitely see you in my next video, so y'all already know what come next. Duh. Girls can't never say you want it.